Hey, so if your Trello board isn't showing properly, yeah, that can be really frustrating. Maybe cards are missing, the layout looks broken, or things just aren't loading right. In this video, I'll walk you through simple step-by-step fixes to get your board back to normal. First, try refreshing the page. Sometimes it's just a temporary loading issue, and a quick reload fixes everything. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. A slow or interrupted connection can stop parts of the board from loading. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. Stored data can sometimes break how Trello displays boards. Try disabling browser extensions, especially ad blockers or script blockers. These can interfere with how Trello loads elements. This one's easy to miss. Check your browser zoom level or display settings. If it's too zoomed in or out, the layout might look broken. If the issue continues, open Trello in another browser. This helps you figure out if the problem is browser specific. Make sure your browser or app is up to date. Older versions can cause display glitches or missing features. And finally, check if Trello is having server issues. If there's a temporary outage, boards might not load properly. So yeah, that's how to fix Trello boards not showing properly. Most of the time, it's a quick fix once you go through these steps. If this helped, subscribe for more quick and simple tech guides. Hey,